video, I will show you how to create a double treble crochet, also known as a treble crochet in US terminology. For this sample, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook and a chunky weight yarn such as DMC Nova Vita 4. To work your double treble crochet, we're going to wrap our yarn around our hook twice, insert into the stitch, wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. You'll see 4 loops on your hook. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through the first 2, yarn around the hook, pull through the second 2, yarn around the hook again, and the last 2 stitches. Four stitches on our hook, pull through the first 2, second 2, and here's my completed row of double treble crochets.